We are in Safe in Austin, London's birthday party. We're having a small birthday party, family only, and we came here a couple years ago and did this, 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
So
a lot has changed, lots of new animals. London is having the time of her life. She loves loving on all the animals.
Yeah. So we'll show you some animals. We'll show you our day.
So it's Safe in Austin. She has lots and lots of rescue animals, and a lot of them have special needs, and then she invites other children to come out here and spend time with them. Some of the children might have special needs, so they can bond together and just spend time together. So we'll put the link in here if you guys want to support Safe in Austin. We'll put it right here, and we're going to show you guys around.
When the little things mean everything, that's when you got everything you need. If you're anything like me.
What's up, guys? Making a little dinner. I'm home on a Friday. Very rare to be home on a Friday. We're making some beer can chicken. This is the beginning process. Maverick is in here sleeping. He is at this stage where he just wants to ride around.
He's going through his 6-week sleep regression.
Is that what it's called?
Yes, he's fussy. He
So-
will not sleep.
Here's his,
Here we go.
is he sleeping? Can you tell?
Yeah, he's like a little koala.
We're gonna cook some beer can chicken and got some deer sausage on the grill right now. You're gonna cover these dudes.
Hey, another dude.
Oh, I'm sorry, they're actually not dudes, they're girls. We're gonna cover these girls. That's Diamond.
No, it's not.
Looking good. Look at this, guys. Deer sausage. So good. Have you tried that yet, Lennon?
Yeah.
That's the jalapeno cheese.
Last year.
Well, that's a different buck. You wanna do a like it or leave it with deer sausage?
Like it.
Okay, we're out. We are out. Chicken is good. That is amazing. You did good.
Thanks. Apparently, because this happened one time.
It actually took about, what, 2 hours? They were bigger chickens, so we've eaten most of our sausage. About to dig in. Easy, beer can chicken. We should take the chickens off of the beer for the
I think we
camera.
should do that. Okay.
We almost mess this up every time we do
I
it.
know. I'm gonna use these, but I need you to hold the.
I got it.
Okay. All right. There we go.
Cool.
You kind of crushed the shapes, babe.
With the Hamilton.
With the Hamilton. There's a lot going on here tonight.
Oreo shakes, homemade.
Yes.
Good morning. You getting some baby smiles? Did you get your first smile?
Yeah.
What'd you do to get it?
Inside him like this.
His smiles are hard to come by, but when you get it, you earned it. Give us a smile for the Smiths.
He's looking at it.
He's thinking about it. Sometimes a smile, his almost smile turns into a mad face. Give us a smile, buddy. Give us a smile, buddy. Not today, Smiths. Not this morning. Hey, there's a lot of fog out there. Did you see all that fog?
I saw.
That was crazy. I flew the drone out there. It was really cool. Hey, special day today. You know why?
Birthday party.
Your birthday party.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Sissy said she wanted a pink cake. Pink is what she got. What do you think?
Oh my goodness, it's perfect.
Isn't it beautiful? One sweet at a time is amazing.
Days and days and days. Days and not a day. And they have no answers to me yet.
you. Careful, Nikki. Don't get too crazy. Oh. Most everybody in here has limb differences.
It's not working.
What does he do?
He comes up.
Oh.
He's scared whenever new people come in, but if you just sit here and ignore him, he'll come and
You can, yeah. And do you remember there's a secret door over there? Or was that not here before? I can't remember.
Wait, where?
It's like, go on down, and then right in between the castle and the hump, just pick up the grass. Oh, right there on the ground. You see it? See the grass? Yep. Oh, Lincoln, look. Right
And if you pick that up, I bet you're going to see all the bunnies hanging out. And the tortoise.
London, look. London, turn around.
Look at the secret tunnel. There's wrecks and sprinkles and lightning and thunder.
You guys remember lightning and thunder?
Yeah, he was attacked by a dog when he was just a couple of weeks old. So they didn't think he would live, but he spent like 4 months in the hospital, and somebody took really great care of him. So now he's just paralyzed from the waist down. But he's only a year or so old. And did you know pigs live for 20 years? A really long time. And you know we always have rescue piglets that show up every once in a while, so Waddles will be the one to take care of him, and they can come in his little house with him. And she was using London as her service human. I'm keeping her up.
Hi.
She has the best face.
Look at your legs.
Yep. Her lucky fins.
Hi.
You want some yummies? Norman. Good boy.
He's bummed out the Longhorns a little big.
What happened?
I wasn't going to say it. Sorry, Herschel.
So I pulled Mabel off. She was actually headed to be put down. She was pregnant on the slaughter truck. Mabel here. And I don't know. Her and Meg were both. And I pulled them because I found out they were pregnant. And then Louie came 4 months later. Huh.
Where's Louis?
This is Louie.
Oh, so that's
Only
mom
1
and
year old.
son.
Yeah, yeah. Isn't he big? Yeah. He's gonna be bigger than Mama. Yeah, they'll be happy to have me on the Obviously, she just slurped that right down and
You got some fans.
Oh, this one's trying to get it over. Yeah.
remember all their names, London?
Oh, this one looks like ours, guys.
That's Marshmallow. Wanna feed him for me? Help us feed him? Go.
Oh my gosh. Look, he's trying to pull.
Hold him tight. Go.
You need some loving. Yeah, you need some loving.
There we go, baby.
You need some loving.
Mama was sorting. You're hungry like Mabby. I like sunshine.
That's a little wobbly. Beautiful.
It's probably too windy. Probably too windy, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear London. Happy birthday to you.
Go.
Yay!
That looks amazing. Thank you, Miss Marissa. Is it good? Does it make you want to do a dance? Yeah.
No, throw it.
The puppy's following us.
Okay guys, we're going up to the top of the hill. We're gonna see the best views. Right kids? Yes. Here we go.
we'll put the link right here. And I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss any more videos. Bye!
Bye!